If you've lost access to a Wise account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Go to the official Wise website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Wise account. This is crucial as Wise will send you recovery instructions to this email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Wise in your inbox. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password or verify your identity. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, consider updating your account settings. Add a new phone number or enable two-factor authentication for added security. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Wise account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.